Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making a fufu today. So this is fufu. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make fufu. To make a fufu you need a bowl like this. So I'm gonna need a bowl and this too. So you're gonna use this wooden spoon to mix the fufu. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the fufu inside the bowl, because this fufu come like in the powder. So you're gonna add the powder inside the bowl. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Okay, so when you open the fufu, so the fufu come like this. So this is the pack. So I already open the pack, and so it will be like a flour, just like this. This is a fufu flour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some water to it. So I'm gonna add the water. Okay, so I add the water to it. So you're supposed to wash your hand and you're gonna mix it with your hand. So I already washed my hand. You're supposed to mix it. You make sure you don't have no lump inside there, because you wanna mix it very well. This water is little. I'm gonna add more water. You need to make sure you don't see no lump. Okay, that's the reason why you mix it with your hand. If you mix it with a spoon, it will not be right. So always use your hand to mix things. Okay, this is the way the fufu is supposed to look like. You see, it's not watery, too watery, but don't have no lump left. You see, you're not saying no lump. It all supposed to be well mixed. You're supposed to make sure it's well mixed, like the way I do it right now. You see it's well mixed. You're not seeing no lump on it. If you see a lump, you're supposed to make sure you smash all the lumps. Okay, that's how it's supposed to look like. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 4 seconds, and after I'm gonna bring it out. After 4 seconds in the microwave, this is the way it's supposed to look like. So now you're gonna take this spoon, you're gonna mix it, and after when you mix it, you're gonna put it back in the microwave and you're gonna add another 4 seconds. So what I'm gonna do is very solid. So I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna show you guys how it look like. Okay, so I just mix it with the spoon. So I'm gonna put it back in the microwave for another 4 seconds again, and I'm gonna pull it back and mix it again, because you need to keep it mixing it up. Okay, after another 4 seconds, this is how it look like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix it right now with the spoon, because you always need to keep it mixing it. So I'm gonna mix it right now again. Okay, after mixing it was so solid, so I add some more water to it. So what I do now, I'm gonna put it back in the microwave for another 4 seconds again, and I'm gonna put it back out and mix it back again. You're gonna keep it mixing it, or it's a lot of work though. So I already add the water, so I'm gonna put it back in. Okay, so I just remove it out of the microwave, and I mix it again. You're supposed to mix it like the same way you be mixing in the fufu in the pot when you're cooking in the pot. So you're gonna be mixing the same way. So you already know how to mix it. Like, it's hard though, let me tell you guys, okay? So you already know, because today my husband is not home today to hold the camera for me, so I can show you guys how to mix it. So with my one hand, it's hard for me to do it, because you're supposed to be doing it with a really hard like muscle though. Like my one hand cannot do it. I cannot do it. So you're supposed to be mixing it with this spoon. So let me just show you like a little bit. Like you're gonna be mixing like this. Like you're gonna hold it tight, because this rubber is very hot. You're supposed to hold the other one with your one hand, the rubber with your one hand, with the rag, any kind of rag you have home. You're gonna hold it because it's very hot. So you're gonna be mixing it like this, like the way I'm doing it right now. You're gonna mix it like that. So after you see everything is mixed already. See, it's getting mixed very well, like the way I want it, like a really fufu. So I'm gonna put it back again for another 4 seconds, and that's it. You got a fufu. Okay, so this is my final product now. So you see, it's fufu, it's done. but you need to mix it very well though. You're just gonna keep it mixing like the way I'm saying. Mix it very well. If you don't, it will not look like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it now. And the full wrap, like this kind of wrap. So I'm gonna wrap it. This is the way you're supposed to wrap it. And I just put the wrapper on the stove and just put the fufu on top of it. And I was using this spoon, like a cooking spoon, and just took it and wrap it like this. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take it and wrap it like this and wrap it. That's it. You're gonna take a scissors and cut it and wrap it, but it's hot, very hot, and you don't want this in your skin. So you need to be careful when you're wrapping, okay, because you don't want to burn yourself. So that's my advice, and take that. Okay, so this is the finished product. After finished wrapping it, that's how it will look like. And this is my own fufu, the one I'm gonna be eating. And this is the soup I cook. So I'm gonna be eating my fufu with soup. So that's the soup I cook today. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do it. So you're gonna take some soup and meat, and you're gonna put on top of your fufu. So this is my fufu. I'm gonna put some meat now, like this. That's a cow feet. So I'm gonna add some soup to it. So this is soup, and I'm gonna add some I'm gonna add some dates to it too. What I do with sesame seed. So my sesame seed, I'm gonna show you, make another video how to make a sesame seed. So the sesame seed, you need to fry it. After frying it, you're gonna put some seasoning to it, Maggi. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. That's another video. So I'm gonna put some sesame seeds to it. This is very good when you eat this with your fufu. It tastes very good. Liberian people know what it is this, so it tastes very good with your fufu. Alright then, so that's my final product. So that's the fufu. See, well made. And I'm gonna put my sesame seed to it. That's my soup. Thank you for watching our cuisine. Please subscribe. If you subscribe, I'm gonna be making more video. Please, if you guys love me, please subscribe. That little button in the bottom, this is subscribe. Just push that button. That's it. That's all you gotta do, and you're gonna be a subscriber. Anytime I make a new video, you're gonna be seeing my video. So thank you for watching again. Once again, love you guys. Bye.